Just got back from the farmer's market and it's time to cook lunch. I just want to show you what I got today. Scallion, blueberries, plums, I believe, arugula, pea shoots, $9 for this pint of tomatoes, cabbage, a chicken, a little baby chicken for $27, 3 corn, sourdough bread, cucumber, and this is from our garden. And I have some shrimp. So what should I cook for lunch? I'm hungry, so let's try to do lunch in 30 minutes. I also have some frozen fish, barramundi. I'll rinse and season. The time is 12:15. Let's see how fast I can cook. Use that green seasoning we recently made, 2 tablespoons each. A teaspoon of salt, we'll adjust later on. Black pepper. Mix well to combine. Rinse the expensive tomatoes. I'll prep scallion, tomatoes. I have garlic in the fridge, onion, more tomatoes and hot pepper. Prepped oil in, pepper in, curry powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons, green seasoning, 2 to 3 tablespoons, tomatoes in, give it a stir, raise the heat, add a bit of the scallion, rice in, half can coconut milk in, stir. Next pot on, oil in. Say 5 minutes. This pot should have been heating way before this. And hot pepper in. The fish, curry powder in. About 5 tablespoons. Green seasoning. About 4 tablespoons. Garden fresh tomatoes and scallions in. Cook it. You don't have to write down the ingredients. I'll leave the link to the printable recipes below. Water in. This is for the fish. The shrimp, add the seasoned shrimp. It's been about 5 to 7 minutes for the base. Heat is on high. And we're stirring. Beautiful color. Trying something new today. Keeping it simple for you.
10 minutes.
Back to the fish. It is now 12:35. Little behind time, but still very quick. Teaspoon turmeric to keep the colors bright. Water. Range of the coconut milk, half can. Add the turmeric to brighten the color. We don't want anything too white. Brown roasted cumin, about a teaspoon, optional. Mix. Finish off with salt and you're done. I cut the fish pieces in 2. Remember, it's still frozen. Cook the base for like 5 minutes. We're in a crunch, so I am expediting this recipe because it will continue, the base ingredients will continue to cook. So I'll just make sure it's completely submerged. They doubled up in layer. I'll make it in individual layers and I'll boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Finish off with salt and ground roasted cumin. 7-minute timer is up. Take off the stove. Simply amazing. Absolutely perfect. 12:44 with 5 more minutes to go. So we cooked it in about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. With green seasoning, life is so much easier. Now I'll finish off with a Trinidad inspired salad. Instead of watercress, I'll use the pea shoots and the arugula. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. Coconut curry shrimp and coconut curry fish in about 30 minutes. The shrimp and fish are tender. The curry sauce is creamy and full of flavor. Serve it with hot rice, paratha, sada roti, dosti roti, or aloo roti, and enjoy every bit of that delicious coconut curry sauce. I hope you give these recipes a try. When you do, leave a comment and let me know how they turned out. I'll leave the link to the full written recipes in the description box below. If you enjoyed being in the kitchen with me today or learned something new, please like, share, leave a lovely comment below, and subscribe if you wish to see more. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, love, and enjoy. Bye-bye.